Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Data Dispatch. Hope everybody's having a great day. We're going to be talking about the top AI stock that could possibly make you rich in 2023. Now, with artificial intelligence, we've really seen an advancement and kind of a viralness to this new trending industry. Now, with that, you do have many people trying to take a play on these AI stocks, and you have a countless amounts of AI stocks, plenty of YouTube videos that are going to say, hey, this AI stock, this one's the best, this one's the best, this one's the best. You do have those top blue chip kind of AI stocks that we've seen that have a lot of reputation and that we've seen before. Now, these are ones I don't need to tell you about over and over again. I'm talking about Google, Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, some of the top blue chip stocks that have been around for a long time. What we're really going to be looking at is some of those more speculative plays, smaller companies that do possibly, if they have great revenue and great profits, beating their expectations and earnings, could be posed for great returns. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt and make your own decision before making an investment decision, especially on something that's more speculative within the AI industry. Now, this stock that we're going to be talking about is C3.ai, ticker symbol AI. We've talked about C3.ai and what they've done before. Basically, what they do is they help different companies develop their AI systems to incorporate into their companies, and this AI application software can also be utilized to help with data analytics. With these types of chatbots and especially large language models, you do have lots of data that does need to be analyzed. So much data that can't even be interpreted by a human being. So let's take a look at C3.ai, look at some of their financials and what the possibilities could be for the future. If we pop it up on the screen here, you can see C3.ai has done well basically here since May, having a low of $16.79, popping up to a recent all-time high of $48.87. Right now, C3.ai sits at about $37. We've seen it with the support level right here that it was actually able to hold at that $32. And looking at their market cap, they are a smaller company and valuation at $4.33 billion. Now, looking at C3.ai, here is their actual official definition from seekingalpha.ai. And basically what they are saying here is it's an application development and runtime environment that enables customers to design, develop, and deploy AI applications. Basically what we said before, they help give the tools for these companies to help roll out AI applications. Now, with that, with the AI industry, as it does advance, you could have many more companies that do come into the AI sphere. They want to incorporate it and use it as a way to maximize and monetize different products within their company. And talking about that, they do also help optimize raw material. Now, raw material and data process, this is basically talking about data analytics, learning to encompass that large, basically entourage of data and providing data research and results from that processing metric. Now, talking about that and looking at the summary of their company, they have done well with their last quarter earnings. They beat them, which was actually expected for their earnings per share to be negative 0.13 cents. They actually beat that by 4 cents. It'll be interesting to see what happens in their upcoming quarter earnings, but beating those expectations do help with the valuation. Now, one big thing that we are seeing with these AI and tech stocks is they do have a large price to earnings ratio. Basically, if you're new to the stock market, what this means is the valuation, the price on these stocks is very high compared to the actual earnings and the revenue within the company. What this is entailing is that people are taking a large kind of, I want to say, glance at their future, a bet on the future that they will continue to grow as a company. Now, with C3.ai, they do have a large price to earnings ratio which does push their valuation higher. But like I said, we have seen this with many other AI stocks, like we've talked about, especially with Nvidia, and this is common among these top tech stocks. Now, with C3.ai, it'll be interesting to see how they do well in the next quarter, and especially with their revenue. The revenue metrics have been increasing, and they are trying to become more of a profitable company by actually beating their expectations. So with that AI industry, it is more of a speculative market, but this could be an interesting stock to look at. I want to know, let me know down in the comments, have you explored these AI stocks? Which ones do you want me to talk about? And also, If you do have C3.ai, what's been your experience with it? Would you recommend it to other people? And are you going to hold it, or are you possibly going to sell it if you already do have it? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out and take care.